Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about GALAX GeForce RTX 4090 20th Anniversary Edition. So friends, GALAX unveiled their latest high-end RTX 40 GBHD, and it's not your typical product. It serves as a commemorative item to mark GALAX's 20th anniversary in the business, and the anticipated. The car features three fans. Two of them are positioned on the front side, while an additional fan can be found on the opposite side of the card. And the design choice draw clear inspiration from NVIDIA's current edition model, which also utilize two fans placed on opposing sides of the card. And even more interesting is that the power connector has been cleverly concealed beneath an acrylic panel, allowing for easy access when needed. And this discrete location houses a 16-pin power connector, although it remains hidden in the renders. We have seen very similar approach being implemented by the colorful Ultra Z series, and according to the reports, this card is not aiming to be absolute fastest as it operates with a GPU push clock of 2595 MHz, and it makes up to 4.8 with substantial size, measuring an impressive 34.4 cm in length and 6 cm in thickness. And friend, it will be launched on 11th November. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.